Okay, so today I will tell you about protein folding. So I'm just going to write question here. This is the question number 1, and here I will describe about what is um, what is protein folding. So let me write the answer here. As you can see, we can describe if there is a particular protein. Consider this a protein. This is a protein. It is made up of base pairs. We have A base pair, we have T base pair, we have G base pair, C base pair. These base pairs are present in in DNA, we know. But in case of protein, what we have? In case of protein, we have amino acid. Yes, amino acids. So basically, amino acids are constituent of protein. So when these so when these protein form a chain, it form alpha helix or beta pleat. Then we say it that protein has folded. Then we say that protein has folded. All right. So protein folding is a process by which, so here I can write it is the process. It is a process by which polypeptide chain folds to become biologically active protein in its native 3D structure. Here then we can uh, also show that these native structures are held by these native structures. Here I can also write that here we can also write that these native structures are held by various molecular interaction. Then we also know about the various forces that are involved in the protein folding. So let me change the color and bring it blue. So the various forces involved in protein folding are just like we can say like hydrogen bonding, hydrophobic effect, Vander Waals forces, H bond, H bond, and hydrostatic interaction.